Hey, vigil don't turn another thing, no. The kind things where they happen for Nigeria every day, different things. Person wey saying they go vigil, go pray to God about him problem. Don't find another place, go. You go tell your papa, you go tell your mama, you go tell your husband, say, they go this place, go pray to God. Say, problem they disturb you, things they disturb you. You can't pass man house, go. Hey, women, we say e dey our body. E dey our body. This woman na in pastor house, na im go. Me na first watch this video to hear wetin this man catch him wife they do.
Go. Má bójú now. Èmi jáde ńlé lánàá. Ìwọ sọ pé òun lọ VG. Àbí mo dẹ̀ ti ń gbọ́ information pa ẹ̀. So nǹkan tó máa ṣe ni. Àbí wòlíì kọ́ ni. Ẹ ti ṣí èrè sà. Ẹ wá káyàwó tèmi mọ́lé. Iṣẹ́ kò ní dáa fún yín. Èṣù ló ní kẹ́ ẹ báṣọ. Èṣù ló ní kẹ́ ẹ bọ́bọ́ ẹ̀wọ̀n kan. Àbí bírá ìyàwó mi kọ́ ni. Kò ní dáa fún yín wòlíì. Ẹ wá káyàwó tèmi mọ́lé. Èmi lọ hustle láàárọ̀. Gbójú ẹ sókè náà. Àbíkẹ́ gbójú ẹ sókè. Mo lọ hustle láàárọ̀. Kí n wálé kí n wá fún ẹ lówó. O ti gbọ́kùnrin wálé. Style wo ló fẹ́ ṣe tí mi ò ṣe fún ẹ? Bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ náà. Bá mi sọ̀rọ̀. Ká dáa fún ẹ. Wòlíì máa gún yín lọ́bẹ. Bẹ́ẹ̀ dẹ̀ ṣe máa wà ní táwọn ìṣe máa ka yín. Ọlọ́run bá ń gbọ́. Tẹ bá kúrò bẹ́ẹ̀ máa pa yín síbí. Wòlíì tẹ bá kúrò bẹ́ẹ̀ máa pa yín síbí. Ẹ tẹ wòlíì bọ̀tẹ́ kójọ. Ṣé wòlíì níyà?
Hey! Una see as this man catch the wife? The woman can't even dey cover face. Wetin you dey cover face for? They don already catch you. This man saying don dey hear this thing since so, but because he trust him wife, na him make am feel say him wife no go fit do this thing until he come catch this wife with him pastor. Pastor! No be pray you go pray. Now from prayer, you don touch head, enter breast. Which kind prayer be this? Some people sef na so they go comot say they dey go for 10 days fasting and prayer. Everything, they will go there, go do another thing, all in the name of prayer. Women, we sef, wetin we dey even find for this life? Because this man say, nothing wey no dey give this woman, shey na money, him dey give am. Everything wey this woman work, this man dey work because of this woman. Na because of this woman, this man dey work. If not, him sef for sit down for house, na dey enjoy him life. But because of say, make I take care of my wife, make she dey comfortable. You can't dey go work, dey hustle. You go hustle from morning till night. Your wife go meet another man. Wetin she dey find? If you know say this thing no reach you, divorce am na, go follow pastor. As you know say na pastor na him get this thing wey he wan give you. This kind pastor sef, which kind pastor you be? Which kind pastor? God, you dey use God name dey lie. If say God suppose dey punish person sef, as you dey lie, make God dey punish you immediately. Because things dey over happen for this Nigeria, and God na because God sef dey pity us, say okay until you die before him go judge you. If say God dey do am immediately, many people, in fact all of us sef, we don't even die. Because the kind things what we dey do, e dey shock people. This woman get mind, go cheat, married woman. You wey you know say you don marry, they dey call you wife, our wife, you go dey happy? Our wife wey dey do things inside corner. Underground things now you dey do with pastor, you no even do am sef, say make her shame o, make her do boyfriend. Pastor, man of God, which kind man of God be this one wey dey do things? Corrupt man of God, onishino, aṣẹ́wó man. The wife sef the same thing. This kind man now, wetin he wan do with this wife? He wan pursue am abi he wan collect am back? Wetin he suppose do? Because this kind woman like this, you no even suppose keep am for your house. She don decide wetin she want. You dey give am everything, but still she no want. Na pastor na she like. Maybe the prayer dey provide food for the table, or the pastor business na business wey be say dey bring money. Na make she prefer pastor. Or the pastor thing dey sweet pass him husband. Oh no, because now things just dey. Different marital issues every day. Divorce, this one. But you know say this thing no reach you, divorce am now or you leave am. If you know say divorce go waste your time, you tell the man, okay oga, this your thing, you know dey reach me o, you know long reach, you know sweet reach, make I dey find my square root dey go. This one now wey you go disgrace this man, disgrace yourself, you can't carry cloth dey cover face. Who you dey hide from? They don already see you, we don already know wetin you do. People wey know this pastor sef, him don cast. That kind church sef, you no fit grow again because your member sef go decrease. Even your member sef, maybe na so you dey take even get them. You go say come for crusade, you go dey do another thing. Hey, una people, things dey really happen. Holy ground don turn to bad ground. Bed don turn to another thing. You na even see the bed. Shey this one sef na even church. No be church sef be this na. That means she no even go church. Where na the pastor house na she go. Bed don turn to holy ground. Instead of you to be praying, you are bedmaticking. You are doing something else on top of the bed. Now wow, una no go kill us. Your this thing now don turn to water stream. Where na there pastor dey go do him prayer, dey wash all in water comot from. All in dirty water wey don comot from evil people. Na your own water stream na im dey use. Bed don turn to holy ground. Instead of you to go dey pray, you go stay for bed, go dey do things. Mago things for your husband back. Husband wey trust you, think say him love you. You can't go dey do things. The thing wey even come vex me pass na the man come talk say na devil. This devil sef don suffer. So devil dey there wey you comot the woman bra, comot your trouser, comot your boxers. So tey you come enter inside this thing, na you and devil dey do am o. Hey, oga devil, you sef you don hear things. In fact, God suppose even put devil for one side. Make we know which one wey devil dey do and the one wey human being sef dey do. As e dey like this, na here I go even leave una, make una sef comment, make una talk wetin this woman do, if e good abi e no good, because this thing dey vex me. This woman dey disgrace women. Women now no fit go outside, go do shakara as we dey do again. Matter don too much about our problem. We no dey satisfied at all. If they give us this one, you know they reach us. Wetin we come want? Me na no forget to like, share and comment about this matter, because we go dey wait for una response about this thing wey dey happen. I mean, stay tuned for our next story.